Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today about another poem. It's called a quatrain, and basically, it's using rhyming words, and you can do different patterns with them. You have 4 lines. Quad means 4, so it's a quatrain, just like couple is 2, and a couplet had 2. Quatrain has 4. So it's a 4-line rhyming poem that can be written in the following rhyming schemes. So you can have the first 2 lines rhyme A, and then the next 2 lines rhyme B, B. So those 2 go together and these 2 go together. So here's an example of that one. Pattern 1. Sitting at the table, reading a funny fable, giggling over a crazy hare, I fell off my chair. Notice that the first 2 lines rhyme and then the second 2 lines rhyme. So kind of cool. Second pattern, A, B, A, B. The monkey was doing kung fu. He was moving left and right. He knew just what to do, although he looked silly in a fight. So we had A, B, A, B. Okay. Next we have, when I came upon a snake, I didn't know what to do. I stood scared and frozen. He was frightened too. So just the second and fourth lines rhyme. And A is its own thing and C is its own thing. So you're going to have an opportunity to pick any of those patterns, and they have them right here on the side. So you're going to see this in your homework. Okay. And then you're going to be able to write right in here. And then you'll have 2 of your own quatrains. Now, there is also a book in Epic that I want you to read. And then you're going to share your favorite poem during our morning meeting tomorrow. So the book is called I Saw an Invisible Lion. It has a bunch of quatrains. So I want you to do this first so you get some good ideas of quatrains. And I Saw an Invisible Lion. That's the first one. Oops, did I miss it? I think I went too far. Saw an Invisible Lion. Oh, I got to go to page 6. 6. So now this is the thing with quatrains, is they don't have to be just 4 lines. It could be 4 lines. That's one group of words. And if we look at what that's called, here we go. I have a good example of that. So we have our stanzas right here. So here's our stanza and rhyming schemes. So a line is just the line, but a grouping of those words is a stanza. So I thought I could clone myself so I could just be carefree. No more chores and homework. It would make me so happy. So carefree and happy sound the same. Not spelled the same, sound the same. So that's huge. So a stanza rhyme scheme. So then the next stanza is, it will look like me and write like me. It will do chores like me too. It will talk like me and laugh like me and do whatever I do. So now they have an ABAB scheme. Okay. In the book, on the lion one, is this. I saw an invisible lion today and 14 invisible leopards, and thirsty invisible sheep being led by 7 invisible shepherds. So leopards and shepherds. So now we have A, B, C, A. Or I'm sorry, B. So leopard and shepherd. So A, B, C, B is the whole poem. I saw an invisible baby giraffe who ate from invisible trees. I watched as he shook an invisible nest that was filled with invisible bees. So now that stanza has invisible trees and bees rhyming. I saw an invisible penguin who skated upon an invisible rink, along with a group of invisible skunks who had made an invisible stink. I saw an invisible clown who was juggling 3 high invisible balls as he jumped back and forth on invisible horses running out of invisible stalls. I saw an invisible witch as she cackled atop her invisible broom. It's pretty amazing the things that I saw without even leaving my room. So what I'm going to do tomorrow morning is you're going to tell me what your favorite poem is. We're going to see if we have a winner on what each one, who like which one best. So you want to read them all. We want to vote which one we like the best out of all of these quatrains. So some have 3 stanzas, some have only 1. You're going to be writing at least 1 stanza for your quatrains, and there's 2 groupings of them. So try 2 different patterns, okay, in the homework that you're going to see. So in here, try 2 different patterns. So pick out of those 3, 2 patterns to do on your own. And you're also reading this book and write down the title of your favorite one, okay, because that's what we're going to ask at our morning meeting. All right. That's it. When you do finish this book, I'll be able to see if you finish it by you clicking on it. Boop. Yay. I didn't read it in 5 minutes. The last time I did it took way longer than 5 minutes. But you have to read 15 to 20 minutes today anyway, so why not? All right. Have a good one. Enjoy those poems.